Mwiri wa gavana Joyce Laboso urutirwo mocarĩ ya riri kiroko. Andu a bamiri, arata, atongoria hamwe na muingi makiroka kugomana kanitha-ini wa All Saints Cathedral kunyitanira igongona-ini ria kumuririkana. Muthuri wa Laboso Edwina Bonyo akiririkana uria muturire wao wanjiririe miaka-ini ya 80.
Of course, the father was very gully, a very tough mzee, and he could hear none of it completely. The mother was a little bit soft on me. I think she liked me a bit, but cautiously.
Ona ciana cia Laboso, Ted na Brian, Marco, Mina na Dennis maririkana wendo ria nyina aramonagia.
Yeah, Mom. Thank you for being the exemplary mom that you were to us. Thank you for teaching us virtues of selflessness, patience.
Thank you so much for everything you have done for me in my life. Words can't describe the amount of love I feel for you and forever will feel.
Wendo wa family no ndwahutirio ni guthurwo kwa Joyce Laboso iturwa-ini ngurani cia utongoria wa bururi.
Through things, she was a teacher at one time. We used to call her mwalimu. Then kidogo kidogo she became an MP. Tukaanza kuita yeye mheshimiwa kwa nyumba. Then kidogo kidogo akawa speaker. Tunasema sasa speaker. Kidogo kidogo she became the governor, Her Excellency. We'll remember that with happiness.
Arata a Laboso aingĩ magĩtarĩria ũrĩa aranyitanagĩra nao magongona-inĩ matiganĩte na wendi wake wa gĩthomo na ũrĩa mamũnyitĩrĩire kinyagia kũingĩra ũteti-inĩ. Nao atongoria aruna ake ikĩro-inĩ ngũrani magĩtarĩria ũrĩa Laboso aratũire atĩĩte andũ ake na kwĩhotha ũtungata-inĩ wa mũingĩ.
She had a cordial relationship with everyone, regardless of their political affiliation. She was a true Kenyan matriarch.
She was focused, determined, a very loving person, a woman of the people.
Let us honor her through our work in leadership. Let us continue to crack the glass.
Here lies a great leader of not just Sotik and Bomet, but of the Republic of Kenya, and an icon.
Na kuona Laboso arakuire kumana na kansa, atongoria ya matinatigwo na thutha gwĩkĩrana na gũtambia mwaki wa kumurika murimu uyu.
There is a lot more we can do in terms of more centers for chemotherapy, more centers for radiotherapy, and a bigger program to campaign.
Mwiri wa Laboso riu ni utwaritwo Bomet, igongona ringi rigitanywo kuhanika Jumaa ino. Ni kiambĩrĩria gĩa thabarĩ ya muthia ya gavana Joyce Laboso iria igatirihwo muthenya wa Jumamothi kuria Fort Tenan, muingi na atongoria makihinyiririo kurumirira nginyo ciake makiria hari utungata na kuonanio shamba. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kanitha-ini wa All Saints, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.